Every night he coaxes the moth from sleep and sends it forth into the darkness. Powdery wings with shredded fringes carry the gatherer to the light, where it burns and batters itself to help the man hour after hour, exhausted but powerless to stop. They think him weak, they think him beaten, and maybe they're right for now. But nothing is forever, buoyed by the notion that they are forever beyond his reach. He sits patiently in the dark and waits for his winged accomplice to return and replenish him. Photon by photon, day by day, the light will be restored to his eyes. Ragged and used, the moth toils. Ragged and seething, the man waits. Soon, it will happen soon. Already the black has brightened to grey. Next will come shapes. Then there will be colours. And finally, once the moth falls dead, the man will wreak upon his captors every bit of what they deserve.